Tumekaa kwa muda mrefu, tunalipa kodi lakini hakuna mwenye anatushughulikia. So tumeungana kama community, tukaona wacha tuanze huu mradi, tuwaonyeshe ni muhimu wa kuwa na sewer line. Na ndio sababu tumekusanyika wa group kidogo neighboring EPZ and company tuanze na hiyo.
We are using a lot of money. You find after 2 weeks or 3 weeks you are using 200,000. So these have given us a lot of problem, and these have given us a chance even to think twice. And this is the reason that we are contributing. And now as we are talking, we have a certain amount that I may not sound to this time.
Involves a number of people in this area, and we have 279 members, owners of the plots, and we hope to complete this project by 6 months period.